This is 3rd grade GoMath, Chapter 11 review, and this is Part 6. Keisha draws a sketch of her living room on grid paper. Each unit square is 1 square meter. Write and solve a multiplication equation that can be used to find the area of the living room in square meters. So if you look, it has 4 rows. It's 4 by 10. And so area equals 4 times 10. So the area would equal 40. So here is our multiplication equation because we're looking for the area, so we represent that with A. And then down here it asks us for the actual area, and look at the measurement. The area was in square meters, so we're going to put square meters here and put our 40 down here. Number 16. Mr. Wicks designs houses. He uses grid paper to plan a new house design. The kitchen will have an area between 70 square feet and 85 square feet. The pantry will have an area between 4 square feet and 15 square feet. Draw and label a diagram to show what Mr. Wicks could design. Explain how to find the total area. Okay, so this is going to be a complex figure. So the kitchen, the area has to be between 70 and 85. So I'm thinking of numbers that I know how to multiply really fast in my head to give it an area between 70 and 35. So, I mean, and 85, sorry. We could do 7 times 10. That would be pretty quickly, 7 feet by 10 feet. We could do 8 times 9, because 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 9 is 72. We could do 9 times 9, which is 81. So really, you can decide. This question is open-ended, and you can decide. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try 8 by 9. So I'm going to do an 8 by 9. So I'll do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 9, 3, 6, 9. So this would be the kitchen. I'm going to label it kitchen. And it's 8 feet by 9 feet. So the area, 8 times 9 is 72 feet squared. I like to write it like that. That's from my middle school math background there. And the pantry will have an area between 4 square feet and 15 square feet. So a pantry is where you keep your food in your kitchen. Usually it's like a closet. I'm going to try to get the biggest one I can. So I'm thinking maybe I'll have the pantry here, and it'll be 4 down. Let me just pick up a different marker here. So I'll make the pantry 4. I can't do 4 by 4, but I could do 4 by 3. So 4 by 3, and 4 feet by 3 feet. That's 12. So the area here is 12 feet squared. So, and then it said explain how to find the total area. Well, to find the total area, I would add the area of the kitchen to the area of the pantry. So I'm going to go ahead and be that overachieving student here and say the total area of my design is, what's 72 plus 12? 72 plus 12 is 84 feet squared. Alright, so this one is really open-ended, like some of the other ones we've done previously, so you could have a different design as long as you find the area correctly and add and explain. Your answer would be correct. Good luck on your chapter test, and I hope you are ready to show your teacher what you know about perimeter and area.